Welcome to my channel. My name is Sonomi. I am an artist and I teach art to children and adults in New York City. Today, I want to do an art inspired by the artist named Georges Seurat. Georges Seurat was born on December 2nd, 1859 in Paris, France. He is known for the Pointillism Art. Pointillism is a technique of painting in small dots of color applied in patterns to form an image. This is one of the most famous paintings by Seurat, called A Sunday Afternoon on the Island of La Grangette. Can you see people in the park by the water? Let's see the close-up. Look at the grass. In the shade, do you see dark green with blue and pink? How about in the light where the sun is hitting? Light green, yellow, light blue? How about people? Look at the lady on the right. What color do you see in her umbrella, hat, and dress? Dark blue, red, purple. How about the lady on the left with the baby? Do you see a lot of dots of pure colors? Let's see another famous painting called The Eiffel Tower by the artist. What color do you see in the sky? Blue, light blue, turquoise blue, and orange? What color in the tower? Orange, red, anything else? How about in the shadow? Blue, purple. These dots would be blended by the viewer's eye. It's more striking image than mixing colors on a palette before you paint. Okay, so now your turn to paint. So I'll show you what we need today. You need Q-tips, some paper towels or palette, papers, any papers. And if you have construction papers, that's fine too. A pencil, washable tempera paint, and any fruits that you have. I have mango and bananas here. So first you need a piece of paper and a pencil and any fruits, vegetables you want to draw today. And first we look at the shapes and draw the shapes on the paper. And now you look at the shape and start to draw just the outline. So the mango, like this, and then banana, something like this. Okay, we are ready to paint. So it's always a good idea to have some newspaper or something underneath. Now you look at the color. You need some green, yellow, orange, red. So yellow, green, orange, red. And for the shadows and dots, try not to use black today. Try to use blue and purple. So take out all the colors, it's like a rainbow. And don't mix today. So we're gonna just use Q-tips. Look at the fruits. and start painting with lighter color and just go dot dot. And you see some yellow here, so you just put some here. Change the Q-tip for new color. You put a little green. And look at it, some are a little green. If you think it got too dark, you can always go back with the yellow and then don't mix. Just go over with some dots. Now some orange. And just look at where else you need some orange. Another new Q-tip. Now red. And for the shadows and some dark spots, you use some purple. Also some blue. Go back with more red. Try to fill the white part. And now let's do banana. Use banana. And now if you like, you can do background, maybe with the blue and white. Again, just start. And for the shadows, you can do some blue and purple again. And you can mix some orange and yellow for the light. Add some white. Never go like this, just dot, 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 dot. It takes time, but just enjoy, take your time. Okay, this is done. Can you see mango and the banana? But close up, you see all the dots? Blue and purple for the shadows. hope you did a nice work. Okay, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the project. Please subscribe if you like to see more videos. I'll try to put up more. Thank you so much. Bye.